What is the clear? Papa. Yeah.
Ọlọ́pàá ni o.
Ẹ sọ pé ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ náà. No be arrest o. Na go you go.
And so I was traveling. I had to come down from my vehicle to do this short video to say that it is a lie, it is a rumor, and all members of Labour Party and members of the public should disregard the rumor. You know, enemies, political opponents are doing their handwork, and you know, these political detractors thrive in falsehood, thrive in lies, and therefore we urge all our supporters to disregard it. I'm fine, nothing is wrong with me. Today is Friday, 16th of June. I am here making this short video. I'm fine and there's nothing wrong with me.
Yeah.